Hi, I'm Chef Carol, and today I'm going to demonstrate how I make a very quick personal pan pizza when I need a meal quickly, I have a taste for pizza. So I'm just going to show you how easy, even on a ketogenic plan, you can enjoy pizza. So let's get to it. I'm going to start with a keto flatbread. And I'm using a commonly found pizza sauce. Look for the ones that have very little sugar. And I'm just going to make sure that the sauce gets to the edges of the bread to maybe just slow the browning down a bit. I like spinach on my pizza. And I keep ground pork that's already been cooked. I like to have it just in case I want eggs and bacon on a pita for a quick breakfast. Next, I'm going to use a shredded mozzarella. This is just a low moisture, it's not fat-free. And I'm going to bake this pizza in my air fryer. Generally, I let it cook in the air fryer on the air fry mode for 3 minutes. So I'll be right back. Well, in less time than it takes to phone the local pizzeria and have it delivered to your home, you could actually be eating pizza. And I get to eat the whole thing. So let me know if this works for you, and bon appetit.